Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Okta Workforce Identity for SaaS apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin installing Okta Workforce Identity for your SaaS applications, visit the Okta website. Create an account by clicking on the Sign Up button. Select the appropriate subscription plan that suits your needs. Once your account is created, log in to your new Okta dashboard. In the dashboard, navigate to the Admin section on the top right corner. Click on Applications in the left side menu. Next, select the Add Application button. You will see a list of popular applications. Search for the specific SaaS application you want to integrate with Okta. Once you find it, click on the application name. Follow the prompts to configure the application settings. Enter the necessary details such as the application label and sign-in URL. Set up the authentication methods you wish to use. Next, specify the user assignments for the application. You can choose to assign users individually or in groups. After this, click Done to save the application settings. Now, navigate back to your dashboard. To test the integration, go to the Applications section again. Launch the newly added app from the dashboard. You might need to log in again using your Okta credentials. Verify that the application is functioning correctly. If any issues arise, revisit the application settings to troubleshoot. Once everything is confirmed to be working, you can inform your team. Finally, review the security settings to enhance your application's protection. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Okta Workforce Identity for your SaaS applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.